Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a real life microphone sound test of the Boult Audio Airbass LiveBuds. So these are truly wireless earphones with good sound, with its bass focused, but we'll be taking a look at its mic sound quality. So I'll be recording some samples, going to different scenarios, different places, getting some samples out of that. We'll be doing wind sound test, water sound test, people sound test and traffic sound test. So all four of them. So let's go ahead, do the test and then see what do we get, and then we'll be talking about what to expect from this. So let's go. I'll be doing the first test where I'm riding without a helmet, but that's inside the colony. It's illegal to ride without a helmet on the road, so don't do that. So this is just in case you want to see in a windy scenario what kind of sound will you get, like if you're cycling. This is the kind of sound that you'll get when you ride the bike with the helmet on and the bike is open. There will be a little bit of echo created inside the helmet itself. But the echo increases as soon as I close the visor. Which I'll be doing right now. Just give me a minute. So we're in the people now, in Kevin now. A lot of people, a lot of children, the next ministry, everything. So, and the music. Hopefully, my sound is audible very well. I believe I mean, according to me, whatever I've seen with this earphone is that the sound is okay, but it's not too loud. So hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, so I'm next to 70 water fountains over here, so from top to bottom all together, and on the other side we have 70 water fountains. Hopefully you can hear me well. Now I took this one out first, so this is the mic which is being used. So this is the mic. So hopefully you can hear me well. So we're doing the traffic sound test now. So we are at the red light. I don't know whether you're going to be able to hear me. So this is the kind of scenario that I never thought that I get this much of sound. But anyway, this is what you can expect. This is the kind of sound that you can expect in this sound. Okay, so you've seen the video, so let's talk about what to expect from this. Now straight away, I was not happy. I was not happy in any of the scenarios. It's not that the mic is bad, it's just that the mic is taking everything in the background, so it's not focusing on my sound at all. It's getting whatever is there around me. Wind sound was really bad with this, so in case you want to use it while you're going cycling and stuff, or you're in a windy place, the other person will not be able to hear you at all. It just blacks out everything. It's like as if it's muted. You couldn't hear me at all in that scenario. In the helmet, it was okay with a little bit of echo, but it was okay. I'm not saying it is good, I'm saying it is okay. With people sound, it was not that great. One more thing which I noticed was the entire volume is low. So the amount of sound that the mic gets is low in the first place, then it's getting most of the background sound. So it's going to be difficult for people to use this in a crowded place or in a scenario where there's a lot of background sound. So I'll not recommend this for background sound anywhere where there's a lot of background sound, but in a regular scenario when you're home, when it's quiet, this is fine, no issues. I have not got any issues with regular when I'm home right now, like in my studio. No issues, I can use this, no one has a problem. But as soon as I step out, all the background sound comes in. They are able to hear, people are able to hear everything, so everything around me, so that's not a good thing. So that's it, that's all that I had to talk about these earphones. If you have any further queries, go ahead, comment. I will go ahead and reply back to that. I have my messenger detail, my email, my Facebook, Instagram, everything below, and you will be seeing it at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.